All right, guys, I just finished filming at Prospect Park. That video will come out soon. I'll make sure to drop it in the description once it does. And while I'm on this vlog kick, I kind of wanted to talk about batch work. Now, what do I mean by batch work? Well, specific to YouTube, what I mean is dedicating a day to scripting, or dedicating a day to editing, or dedicating a day to filming. And that's arguably the most important one that we're going to talk about, is dedicating an entire day to filming videos. Additional context, when I first started with YouTube, I ended up buying a course from Tariq. Some of you might know who that is. He's this finance magic YouTube, very successful. I mean, he was one of the main reasons I ended up starting YouTube to begin with, but that's a whole other story. And one of his modules or lessons mentioned not batching your work.
Batching content. So what this means is kind of like meal prepping. So when you make all of your meals for the week in one day. And you don't want to do that with your videos.
Especially as someone like me, I mean, I'm just a regular guy. I have a job just like everybody else. I have life obligations just like everybody else. I mean, recording this Prospect Park video, this took about half of my Sunday, which I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, like, when I hear don't batch your work, I think to myself, okay, well, when am I going to find the time to record 25 plus videos a year? Or whatever goal you set for yourself. You kind of just lean into batching your work. You script like 5 to 6 videos and you record all of them on the same exact day in one sitting. But what ends up happening is on the day you're gonna record 5 or 6 videos, there ends up being this immense amount of resistance. And I'm not someone who like I'm some extrovert. I have the gift of the gab where I can just talk nonstop. After 2 or 3 videos, I'm losing my voice. So I'm not saying that Tariq was right or wrong. Maybe saying don't batch your work definitively was maybe not the right approach in that lesson. But the point that I'm trying to make is that find the system that works best for you. And I'm half a decade into YouTube at this point, and I'm realizing that instead of creating 5 to 6 videos in one sitting, why not focus on one video, one script, one recording session, where you know the thumbnail before you even film it, you know the idea, you know the topic, all that stuff, and you aim to get that video to 75–80% perfection or more. I think I'm rambling right now, but I will just give you one more example. In May, I recorded 5 or 6 videos. I can't remember, it might have been 7. I'll put all the thumbnails on the screen now since they're all uploaded at this point. And as you can see, the different durations of each video, the different niches, it's one of those things where there's like not a lot of focus. And I know I've mentioned this before, not to sound too cliche or whatever, but when you chase 2 rabbits, you end up catching none. That also applies to YouTube on a granular level. I don't even know which video to focus on. I have so many ideas, I have so many different things I want to work on, and you'd think batching your work is a solution. But what I've learned this year is that it's most likely not the solution for me. It could be a solution for other creatives, but I think for me, I'm going to attempt or experiment with a new system where I'm focusing all my energy on one video at a time. I'm still just figuring this out. I'm creating for myself, and I'm learning a lot as I go through this process. But yeah, I kind of wanted to just talk about batch work, see what everyone's thoughts were on this, if anyone is going through the same thing. This applies to other industries as well. I know I was only focusing on YouTube. To wrap up this video with one overarching lesson, it's find the system that works best for you.